Like I don't care, baby, by the way. I'm happy. Coco, hi.
What's going on?
You know what? I passed my exam today. I can't believe it, but I'm so happy. Yoo-hoo!
Wow, that's amazing. Well done, Jojo.
All credit goes to you, Coco.
In this scenario, Jojo said, I am so happy. Actually, there are also other ways to describe when someone is super happy or cheerful. Using the following synonyms, you can add a drop of richness into the sentence, such as, I am over the moon. The next one, I'm a happy camper. The final one, I'm on cloud 9. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And if you like, give me a thumbs up at any point during this video. And please leave your comments down below with a hello and tell us where you are watching this video from. I love to see how global our community is. See you next time.